Hi everyone, welcome back to ICAP, International Commercial Archeology Preservation Group. ICAP, just like the soda bottled water cap, to preserve history in it. It's like you remember you were little, the container, put anything you donate, close it up, seal it, put it in the ground, bury for the next 50 to 100 years, and they open up. And that's what they do. Same thing. I do it with commercial, which means business, companies, organization, product, service, from the beginning of the time to now and future. From company startup to company closure. Yeah, I enjoy those history stuff. Started out with the roller rank. When I came back on, after I loaded the Marco Journey, my number dropped very fast. It was 27. Now 25. 2 laps. It's like that. Doesn't make any sense. So, I gotta check on my Gmail to see who signed up and lap. That's all I can do. Alright, I want to apologize to some tried to put comments, could not do it. I had to do the process, do every step on. I wrote it out on paper and then I do everything. Some people are not black, so I understand why I could not do it. But I read it that it's up to YouTube. It's not just me. It's YouTube. They block and remove. They must have seen between the two. So I want to say I apologize. The only way you can do is you get a new email address, start up a new account. But that person doesn't want it. So I'm sorry. You can email me the comment, then I can post it or to tell me in one of those messages. Then I'll put it on. Simple as that. Now the last snowmobile that we ever had. The last one I rode. The last time I rode was 1985. Been like that ever since. Nothing. This winter. It's been 40 years. Now riding one. Still up to snowmobile. Didn't have the money. But at the time I did have the money. I bought a 1977 Skidoo Blizzard. It was modified. The Rolex engine. Can't remember what DT, probably 440. Considering the 1977 model. But I had to modify using Comet clutch. They say you can't do that. But, wow. I went beyond 110 miles an hour, being admitted at 110, not go any further. So I believe at 120, 130 miles an hour. Because I know it. I know it. Because it's trying to go beyond that. Shake beyond that. Then I felt the lip. It was actually lip. I did that, but it was still straight. Gotta feel the lip. Yep, I knew it was the lip. Slow down, stay straight. then turn back. I want that. That fat. Bought it for $1,000. Bought it in because it's used model. I bought it in 1981. So that's what? 4 years old. Not bad price. 4 years old sled for $1,000 back then. Oh yeah, it's good price. It didn't sell at $2,000 with me. No. The machine by that time was already reaching $3,000. For $1,000, it's not bad. But I only had like a year, no, because couple things. Mom, what are you doing? Turned to go uphill to go to her companion's property. He lived up on this hill. And his property is like that. Like a mile. The hill. Pretty steep hill. But somehow the trail on the machine tipped over. It rolled down. My brother was in the car. They finally eventually told me we broke this and that. It was crack on the cowl, windshield. Yep. Everything else was fine. Crack. Then there were other problems right after that roll over. Then it came more problem eventually. Too much this and that. And because it was customized, should not customized. Because you can't mix the stern engine with a different part that's not made for that. That's why the engineers, they check, make sure what part can work with. I'm sure they've tried everything. No. Till they get their own. They know what they're doing. There's a couple other things were modified. But with those modifications, fat. Very fat. I really love it. It was good. Good size. It had that big mouth front for the air intake. It's called one of those Basti snowmobile. One of the last Basti sleds ever built. ICAP had one once with a big mouth Panther. A couple other sleds. Ski, which is the sister brand. It's the same company. He built the same thing. It was also a big mouth. There were several other brands had those big mouths as well. Especially early 70s. Late 60s, early 70s. But many of them went out of business. Those big mouths were gone with it. So Skidoo was the last one. Ever since there's no big mouth. With a Basti look. The front was really straight. Curved like that. It's kind of like a hammerhead. You gotta remember that. These are leaf suspension. Snowmobile back then, they could get wider to balance better. But remember, those are leaf. You have to have that hammerhead look. Why I told ICAP to do that back in 1985. So then ICAP came out in 1989 with a powder with a hammerhead look. I may have influenced ICAP, and they did that throughout the 90s with their hammerhead look. Then they had to get rid of that because they need more room for their independent function. Interesting, ICAP came out with a powder that I have at sled. They found improved than the trail car. That was supposed to be the trail car. Rebooted at the powder. So it's very similar with that curve, but straight down. Bolon was another brand had that. The original back track, and the back track itself. Not the special that we had. We had with the bulb. Today's snowmobile look more like a bullet. Stored up. Sometimes the big mouth is a little different shape, like the Yamaha that I talked about yesterday, with that look. Who else did that look? John Deere and Polaris. Get Polaris bought John Deere, and they had the Polaris Star and Polaris, and they liked those are John Deere. I believe it. Eventually fade away in the 90s with John Deere. Alright, with that Skidoo, I love even with the color. That yellow, orange, red. That was the style back in the 70s for a lot of things. Johnson Outboard had that look. Advertisement. Burger King and other fast food had those look. With the yellow, orange, and red. That was the trend in the 70s, early 80s. Especially the 70s. The handling is very easy, very. You gotta be careful on the turns. But try to shift, it's a little harder. The setting, it feels a little bigger than those other sleds that I've had when they're bought by my parents. Only my mom brought the Yamaha, the rest of my father. But because my parents, separation, 73, I think. No, 72. 72 to 77. You know, I remember 5 years. Separation and then the divorce. So, get some weekend, I'm home. Can't ride snowmobile. We even asked my father if I can have to sled over sometime. Said no. So that's why my mom got it. Originally it was Skidoo Olympic Q, but very old. Quickly replaced with the Yamaha. So, so I told my shortly after a year or two, because of all these problems, all of a sudden popping up everything that roll over. It ruins everything. So, I had fun. The reason why I went that bad, because I wanted to fulfill, it was 1983, because my yearbook, we talk all about all classmates, what we're going to do by the year 2000. Sure, it said I broke world speed record on snowmobiles. Okay, that's why I went Gotta be 120, 130 miles an hour. I look up online for Guinness Book of World Record. At 130 something miles an hour. I'm up there! I'm up there! Yeah. Though in my heart, I broke the world speed record. Yeah. Yeah. I fulfilled my yearbook prophecy. I don't know about the others. I don't pay attention to their lives. I don't know what they're doing. And I don't know who passed away. Except for one I know, Dad. No, wait. 3 have passed away. 2 girls that I had crushed on in high school, they passed away. And the other one from the DAP program. Yep. So 3 of them. Probably more. I don't know who. So, yeah. I can't see. I'm wearing this kind of shirt. Wow, 16 minutes. Yeah, that's it. I could talk about that. The guy who bought a repairer made really beautiful, shiny. He fixed the hood. He fixed inside. We convert it back to standard with the right clutch. Not the common clutch, with the right clutch. Beautiful, ran for many more years. That picture he showed me, it was a playaway. It was on a trailer, parked on his driveway with the white glass door opener shut. Then I saw online, maybe 10, 15 years ago. It's still online. The same sled. So, you guys, try to find that sled. You'll find it. That was my sled. Go snowmobile. And that's the conclusion of Snowmobile Week. Now we're going back on regular schedule on every other business. It's happening. Oh, a lot of things have happened. Oh, yeah. Radio, check it back. A lot of closure. Yep, more closure on Big Lie. All that. You'll hear that this week. On to the next one. Okay, gal.